Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve very long-lasting nail sets. This is mostly about the preparation and application of my gel extensions. If you want to see how I do this, please continue to watch. The nails that I'm going to be using today are the Natural Stiletto and Long from Press X by Not Polish, and to etch the inside of the nails, I will be using my Model 1's nail dehydrator to chemically etch the inside. I like to do this in most cases rather than using a e-file because the dust can be a bit much. Not saying that there's anything wrong with using that as well, but I find that this works very well. And I have a separate dehydrator for doing this and then one for my actual nails. If my brush looks a little bit shorter, it's because I actually cut them with a pair of scissors. And I just find that I can really get in and scrub the inside of the extension better that way. To apply the extensions, I'm going in with the Creations Extend Gel. This is one of my absolute favorites, and they did restock on Amazon, so I'll be sure to link it below. My nail sets last so long using this. It's my absolute favorite. I've been using it for years. Anyone who's been here, you guys know. So now I'm just applying that Creations Extend Gel into the base of the extension where we pre-etched it and just scraped a little bit extra at the very base. And then I like to apply my extensions at a 45-degree angle and flash cure them for 30 seconds. And then I'll go ahead and repeat that process for the rest of the nails. When it comes to gauging how much Extend Gel I need inside of my extensions, it's honestly, it comes with time. You can just kind of eyeball it, but before you cure it, if you see that you don't have enough or you have too much, use that extension to scrape all of the glue off of your nail. That's what I like to do. I've shown you guys this before, and then I'll either take some away or apply a little bit extra, and then I'll go ahead and cure it into place. Once all of my extensions are applied and I flash cured them all on, I will go ahead and do a full cure in my big lamp for 60 seconds. And then I like to go in with my mini sanding bit from Melody Susie and just really clean up around the cuticle area, making sure I don't have any extend gel that may have seeped out and that my cuticle area is nice and flushed. You don't have to go in too much with the mini sanding band. I just like to go in a little bit and just really clean up around that cuticle area before going in with my acetone to seal the cuticles. Now I'm going in with a little buffing block to remove the shine from the surface of the nails and also just to clean up the edge, making sure that it's nice and smooth and that I don't have any rigid areas along the nail. Now I'm taking a little dipping dish with some acetone and just a old brush. As you guys can see, this brush looks beat up, but it's one of my favorite brushes to use for this step. I dip the brush in a little bit of acetone, not too much because that can cause lifting, and I just like to scrub it back and forth around that cuticle to really melt that extension down. So again, you'll see a different angle here of me doing it on the thumb, and then I'll go in with any polish of my liking after washing my hands, like here. I will go ahead and link this gel polish below. It's from Not Polish, from their gummy line, I believe. It's so pretty. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the application. Let me know what you want to see next, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.